So today I'll be interviewing about the pollution in the United States. All right, so I have one question for you.
Okay.
So, what is the biggest contributor to pollution in the air in the United States?
I don't know. Maybe the trucks that you know how when you're driving by and you see the trucks and they just release all that waste, that black stuff. That I don't know. Maybe that.
All right, that's a good answer. All right. So, second question. So, what is the biggest contributor to pollution in the ocean?
That I don't know.
You don't have any guesses?
I don't know.
All right.
Boats. I don't know. Trash. All of our waste. I don't know. I think that's it.
All right. And then, so what are ways that we can stop both of these pollution? So, in the air and in the ocean.
Start throwing away your trash and get rid of the vehicles that have the stuff.
So what is the biggest contributor to pollution in the ocean?
Garbage.
Say that again?
Garbage.
All right, she said garbage.
Yeah.
All right. What is the biggest contributor to air pollution?
Manufacturers and all the pollution that they leave out of the big things that they release, like in The Simpsons.
Yeah. All right. Second question. What is the biggest contributor to ocean pollution?
All the plastic that we make, that we just throw up in there. I was actually watching a video on it, and there's a long mile full of just trash everywhere, and it gets all up in the animals and everything that kills them. So it's the plastic that we throw in the ocean.
All right. Last question. What are ways that we can stop both of these pollution?
We just stop using bags like that, start getting the Lulu bags at Lululemon and stuff like that, and then the cardboard bags, and then what was the other one? The first question?
The air pollution.
Oh, the air pollution. I don't know about that one, but we'll figure it out soon.
All right, for sure. All right. What is the biggest contributor to pollution in the ocean?
Probably plastic bags and water bottles and stuff.
All right. And last question. What are ways that we can stop both of these pollution?
We can stop this by recycling, and we can ride bikes more,
We can ride bikes.
We can ride bikes.
All right, we're done. So what is the biggest contributor to air pollution?
Cars.
All right. Second question. What is the biggest contributor to ocean pollution?
Plastic.
All right. And then, so what are ways that we can stop both of these, pollution?
Reusable bags and walk everywhere.
All right. Biggest contributor to air pollution in the world?
I probably have to say just big factories that have their smog going in the air and stuff like that. So yeah, and probably the gas release of cars and stuff like that. So yeah.
All right, very good. All right, so it's the second question.
Yeah.
What is the biggest contributor to ocean pollution?
Bottles and waste that people throw in there, and just different fishing stuff that I don't know, maybe fishers put in the ocean, stuff like that.
All right, and last question. What are ways that we can stop this pollution?
Just being more aware of what we put in the air and what we put in the ocean. Just making sure that we recycle and that we have, put some regulations on factories and what they can do and stuff like that.
All right. 80% of the pollution in the ocean is comprised of land-based material. Of that 80%, 65 to 90% of it is plastic. Therefore, plastic debris is the #1 contributor to ocean pollution. Another significant pollutant is runoff, which is caused when rain drains back into the ocean, all the while picking up fertilizer, oil, pesticides, and other harmful chemicals.
The #1 contributor to air pollution is the combustion of fossil fuels. For example, conventional power plants and cars emit carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, hydrocarbons, and particulates into Earth's atmosphere. Ways we could reduce pollution is by creating regulations such as lessening combustion-fueled transportation and creating regulations on industries and how much pollution they are able to produce. We can also switch over from normal plastics to biodegradable plastics and find alternate resources of energy such as renewable sources. Finally, for runoff, we can create trenches and or barriers so runoff won't be able to get into the ocean.